Hello, this is how I like to make Grandma's famous meatballs. First, you will grate your cheese. You can use Romano or parmesan, preferably fresh cheese. Then you will put your meat in a big bowl. I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef, but you could also shrink it down to 1. Then pour 1 cup of breadcrumbs for every pound of meat. I prefer the Progresso breadcrumbs, but these ones weren't that bad. Then you pour in your spices. Fresh garlic is better. Sometimes you just don't have the time. Then add a dash of pepper and a little bit of parsley. Then pour 1 egg for every pound of meat and a half a cup of the cheese for every pound of meat. And I like to put a little bit of sauce in. Your spaghetti sauce gives it a little more flavor. Then mix together. Then you're gonna make your meatballs. If you're serving a lot of people, you might want to do them a little bit smaller. So then you will brown your meatballs on all sides with a little bit of olive oil on medium heat. Once they get nice and browned on all sides, put them in your sauce and gently mix them in your sauce. After about at least 6 hours, you will have perfect meatballs ready to enjoy. I would not simmer them for longer than about 12 hours because they will fall apart in your sauce. I hope this video helped you. If you have any suggestions for another how-to video, leave a comment. I believe in you and have a wonderful day.